Mao na niyang way mood. Gitis lang ko in town nang ako ang madam. Akong gisong. Gisong na ko kay labaw pa kong gilaay sa balay. Pait in town ni mag-inusara ta sa balay. Uy, kinuo ko inigkaon nato. Dara, akong gisong, akong silingan, akong madam. Ngaon mig inununan. Dara, wala siya sa mood. Isipon. She's not in a mood, in a good mood. She's in sipon.
I'm not well. I'm in my mood.
Oh yeah. She's in the mood but she's not well. She's not feeling well.
Hilot, di man mo hilot sila ni nako.
No.
Hindi mo hilot, arte kayo.
No, I don't know how to hilot also. Oy. Ever since in
Hilot is
my
my
life.
cure ragyot.
Really?
Nga ni ko, hiluton ko Ayaw din ko.
Oh. Asa man dili dapat dali atong hiluto.
Nga, tabalos-los mo. Sige, gara-gara. Kanang hilot ng hikap-hikap ay na lang, may pagmatungkog ko.
May na lang na kay kanang dahap-uhap.
Dahil mong gutong hilot lang nga.
Dahap mala di po ko ana ang kapoy anaan. Ko anang hilotan kay basin.
Hi.
Oh, look at her eyes. It's very obvious.
Her eyes. Na.
Before, we're very energetic. When I came here to visit her, we're very energetic. We dance. We laugh. We laugh very, very to the max. But now, very, very, very. But then now, no power. We're in a what's that? No power. No power ba? Ibaw mo unsay no power? Oh. There you go. She's busy. What's that? La Rafi? Rafi Tolfo. Laay kayo sa balay. Nagprepare na kong pagkaon ba sabay. Dayon. Kanang say nga naning laay mong inaanad ko kaon ba silingan. Akong gida ako ang nagbaon ko sa among silingan. Nangaon mi, libre ng katawa. Libre pang yahay na. Tulid ng tinai. Look. Mao din ni ang ako ang multiple surgery 3 months ago. Mao na ni siya ang resulta. Mao na ni siya ang kuan.
Okay na siya nagilan. Gamay naman siya.
Gamay.
Oh.
Taas na.
Taas de.
Mao na ni siya ang uwat.
Scar.
Ako ang pwede siyang gi-applyan og bio oil. Mao ni siya nga dili bitaw kayo grabe nga kuan kay nice po kay pagka-clip ba. Intact gid siya, perfect. Not like before when I was 21 years old. I have my big operation also, and then the tahi is very is very different because I was coughing, I was vomiting, so it happens like the tahi is like that, scattering it very widely like this. But now this time no, they use a clip, it's just like a staple clip like putting it. I'll show you later it look like. It's only the photographs. I'll show you later. Just watch next video. Oh, no. She's laughing. What's that? No, I want to see why, but when I see it's still 4 minutes, I said no.
Please subscribe multiple surgery.
Yeah.
And that's her.
That's me.
And if you would see ako si Tex, let's over there.
Her.
Over there.
Over there.
Over there.
Yeah. She's
Please
ako ni
subscribe
text.
multiple surgery.
Survivor.
A survivor.
It's me.
Survivor?
Survivor, yeah.
Survivor multiple surgery. And that's her.
Yeah, it's me. And also the acositics. And that's she's acositics. I don't know what's that text mean. But as far as I know, it's a text is she's good in cooking. Maybe Tekla is good in cooking. good in cooking like a pan munay. You know munay? Very nice pan. I like her munay. But
Yeah, I need to do munay, but I can't do it now. Tex is not well.
yeah, she's not well. You look. Even though she said she's not well, I still came here
Not well, but I'm eating.
to her house.
Eating.
I'm still disturbing her.
Alright. It doesn't matter.
That's good. I said, are you alright? She said, yeah, I'm alright. I said, okay, I can go, I think. I'm rushing, upping my bags, food, and here, go here. And it's and this one, do you want to see until the end of this scar? I'll show you this one. It's a multiple. It is called multiple surgery. It's because when my first time surgery, kanang kuan ba bisayo na lang nako kuan in English kanang kuan ba primerong opera pagkat-ani nila gisod ko sa operating room alas 4:30. Nahuman ko, nakamata ko dito na ko sa recovery room alas 6:30. Dali ra kaayo, 2 hours ra. So, pagmata na ko, kuan ako, thank you Lord, nakamata pa ko. So, after 30 minutes, I feel bad. I feel dizzy even though I'm lying on the bed, but still I feel dizzy. So, nobody was there to watch me. The nurses was not there. So I feel I shout. Not shouted like very, very loud. Just, oh, is anybody's there? Anybody there? No one is answering me. I said, please, can you help me? Anybody there? So, one nurse came to me and said, yeah, what can I do? I said, oh, I'm not feeling well. I feel like I'm dizzy and my heartbeat is palpitating too much. So okay, let me check you first. So they check it all over my body. I think they check first my wound, this my surgery. So when they check it, the plaster was full of blood. I'm bleeding. They said, so they didn't tell me directly that I was on lot of blood, but I heard them. They are panic na already. The nurse there was calling the other nurses and said, oh, can I ask your help? Then can we look after her? To kuan like that kanang kuan jud ba kanang bang so ba ana ba nya mao na siya. So they called the doctor. They called my surgeon, my doctor. So the assistant doctor came first and said, oh, what happened? So I feel run down, so I cannot answer them very fast. I said, I don't know, I'm not feeling well, I'm feeling run down like that. And so the main doctor was hurriedly came there. And then he asked me, Lani, are you okay? No, don't worry. You're in a good hands. Don't worry. You'll be fine like that. So I feel like I'm okay after that. Then he asked me to what is that? asked me to resign again that I'm going to have a second surgery again after that. So I signed it, and then they get rushed to me to send it in a operating room again. So so in a minute like that, I don't know what happened to me. I was in a again in a I don't know what's the injection again. So they said they took that back out the clip and then see it again inside. If the bleeding was the cause of that bleeding, to see if the cause of that bleeding is inside, they check it inside. Imagine, can you imagine that? How painful is that? So now, no, so I, but I know that because the doctor explained me first that they have to have a second operation. But I said I have no doubts. I'm not doubting. I mean, to tell them to agree them. Yeah, because they knows best. So there. After 7, they sent me there in operating room. 7 o'clock, I think, in the evening again, and 10:30, I was awake that time. So they sent me in one nurse in one patient. So it's a ICU. It's not ICU. It's what we call that, and that a very in ICU, one nurse in two patients. But in recovery room, that one nurse in one patient is ITCU, special treatment, intensive treatment care unit. Imagine that one nurse was always on my side. I have on my mind that maybe I'm in very critical. That's in my mind, because the nurse was always there. Every time I move, she watches me.
Yeah, because if you've been in operation, that's what they do.
Yeah, but first time when I don't have bleeding yet in recovery room, I think two nurses or you have lots of patients there. Me and in my side there are patients, but I think only one nurse. But they sent in the second operation, they sent me in a very special, then one nurse, one patient, which is me. Every time I move, even my hands when I move, she said, "You're right," like that. I said, "Yeah, I just want to move if I can move," like that. I just want to check if I can move. There's a feeling that to me that can I still move like that. So now 10:30, and I was awake that 10:30 after 3 hours, 7, 8, 9, 10. It took 3 hours for my second operation. It's not easy. So in 12 o'clock in the PM, 12 o'clock, I was sent to the ICU, which is intensive care unit, which is one nurse and two patients. So I was there. So that's my life. So I will continue this. It's too long, too long story for my one. If you want to know more about me, if I'm right now, well, I will answer you that, or just comment below what you want me to know, or what you want to know to me. I mean, okay. Bye. Please subscribe my channel. Eh, and bye for now. Let's see again later. And this is my real name. I mean is Lani, and I'm from Philippines. I'm here in England with my friend. Oh look, Bye for now. Thanks. Please subscribe. God bless. Bye.